Today we are going to install the Fortinet FG-30G into the RM-FR-T28 from Rackmount.IT. The Fortinet 31G, Wi-Fi 30G, and Wi-Fi 31G are also compatible with this rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 4 screws, and 6 zip ties. Place your appliance on the rack with the connections facing the front. Secure the appliance with 2 screws from the bottom. To install the power supply, put 2 zip ties through the designated holes. Place the power supply between the zip ties and tighten firmly. Connect the cable to your appliance. Tie the excess length of the power cable down with another zip tie. If you want to install a second appliance, push out the front plate by applying force on the sides. Be careful for possible sharp edges. To install the second appliance, repeat the previous steps. You are done installing the appliance into the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Place your Fortinet rack mount in your 19-inch cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.